Hey y'all, and welcome to Unboxing Discovery by G. My name is Gina and I'm so glad you're here with me today. I am just in a good mood today. We just came out of this snowstorm. You know, this is the Mid-South. A few inches of snow is a snowstorm for us. And there was probably about a half inch of ice under the 6.5 to 7 feet or inches of snow. So we didn't know what to do. Everything was shut down. Post office and all. My brother-in-law has worked for UPS for as long as I can remember, and he said that this is the first time ever they were closed down for 2 days in a row. He said that is just unheard of. But it made all my packages be late. So and God knows, I am not a patient person. This is one of the things I have been trying so hard to work on. I'm not patient. You should have seen me. I was pacing back and forth in my house looking for the mail to come, even though I knew it wasn't going to come. But I just, you know, I wanted my packages. I wanted to be able to film and bring out content, and there was nothing to film. So finally today, I'm getting boxes and boxes and stuff. So I've just sat myself down. I'm going to film. I'm going to have fun. I hope y'all have fun. Y'all. Got clothes to try on. So today this is an Amazon haul. I've been trying to get a skirt and a top, just something cute to wear, you know, if I wanted to wear it casually or if I wanted to wear it to church, wherever. I've been just kind of looking for something like that. And I don't just want a plain skirt. I want something that's a little fun. You know, as you can tell, I like to be a little fun, you know, flowy arms and stuff. I don't know. I guess I want my goof to come out. Anyway, so I went on Amazon and I tried on one before. I've already done one Amazon haul like this and the skirt didn't fit and I was so disappointed, and they didn't have it in a larger size. So I ordered a different one and I'm going to show this one to you right now. Did I say it was from Amazon? I don't even know. Y'all, here. Amazon. Hang on. Alright, we're going to get back to this now. So like I said, this is just off of Amazon, stuff that I just found and ordered. I just thought this skirt was cute. It is very soft. I think it's going to be very flowy. I liked that it's just not one pattern. I don't know. Some people might hate that, but I just think it's kind of interesting. It's just a little cute. It's got a few different patterns to it. Put that up there so you can see them a little better. Now the back is one solid, but as you can see the front, it just has a little bit of difference to it. And I thought, oh, cute, with, you know, a solid top. I'm not sure, I don't think that see, it's kind of got that handkerchief look to it, where there's just a few pieces that are longer than the other. I thought, oh, that would be cute. And it's Calvin Klein, it's a size 16. Let me see if I can find some wash instructions in here for you. All right, it says that the shell is 100% polyester and the lining is 100% polyester. It's got one of those clear tags, you know, where you can see everything through it. It's kind of confusing. Machine wash cold with light colors, delicate cycle, line dry. Yeah, I can do that. So I'm excited to try this on. It doesn't look like a size 16 holding it up. It looks wider. So I am glad that I got 16 instead of 18, because I almost did. I'm still right there in between, but y'all, I've been dropping pounds so fast. I don't know what to order anymore. All right, so this is one of the tops that I got to go with it. I thought I would give that Made by Johnny brand another try. The last one I tried on, I believe it was this exact top. I just got a bigger size to see if I felt more comfortable with it like that. So this is a 2X. And it just kind of has a Dolman short sleeve, and it cinches and gathers up at the waist. So hopefully it won't feel too tight on me, and maybe I'll feel a little more comfortable in it. And we'll see how it looks with that skirt. Y'all, I got so much stuff. There's stuff everywhere in my house, and I'm just like, oh, I don't like all the clutter. So I'm kind of a little bit of everywhere right now. So like, this is another Johnny Was, or I'm sorry, not Johnny Was, made by Johnny. MBJ is what it says on some of the stuff. So it does say out here, made by Johnny. This one is an extra large. And honestly, it's just a little more flowy in the sleeves. It's a lot like it, but it's way more, I mean, it's way more Dolman. So we'll see how all that bulk right there will look on me. I'm not sure about it. We'll just have to find out. And I'm not sure, you know, when you look at it on the internet, you think the color is gonna go, but when you look at them together, I'm not so sure. I will put them on together just to see if they do work or not, but I don't know. I don't have high hopes for that color going. I also did get a pair of shoes. Well, I've gotten a shoe problem as well as a clothes problem and a makeup problem and a jewelry problem. I've got so many problems and I just can't care. I have been looking for a taller black boot. You know, something to wear with those dresses that don't go all the way down, something to wear over skinny jeans, something that's not too tall in the heel, you know, that has a little bit of traction that I think looks good on me. And a lot of the problem I have had is in my calf. It is a little wider. So I'm a little nervous on these. You can see it only zips from here to here. It doesn't zip all the way up. So we're gonna have to see if those fit. But I am excited to give them a try. I'm in such a mood, y'all. I haven't even told you who they're from or nothing. I don't know. Who are they from? Yeah, I don't know. They got a name on these. Camel Crown, maybe? Black. 7.5. I don't know. I will put the information down below in the little description area. On some of them, I've seen that it's a little arrow you kind of got to click on to lower it down. And some of them, it says show more. And you just click on show more and it'll pull down everything else down there. So we'll try this stuff on and we'll see how it looks. Y'all, I just feel giddy today. Isn't it just wonderful when you just feel that good mood and you feel like you've got a purpose and something to do? I don't know. I have been trying so hard to get out of my box and feel comfortable and be happy. And I don't know, today I feel like I've achieved that. So yay me. All right, enough about me. Let's try on some clothes. Actually, I didn't tell y'all how to wash these shirts, but I'm pretty sure that it's just a normal thing. This is 95 round, 5 spandex, hand wash, machine wash cold, and a gentle cycle, lay flat to dry. Oh, I don't like these lay flat to dry clothes. My kitties like it, but I don't. These shirts are so soft. I mean, they're just, it's hard to explain. I mean, a lot of people say butter, but it does. It feels like it could just slip right through your hands, kind of soft. It says 95 modal, and 5 spandex, hand wash, machine wash cold, lay flat to dry. Or dry clean, of course. So now that I've got that out of the way, we're gonna try some clothes on. I will be right back. This is my outfit of the day. I've had this shirt for a while. It's an A.N.A shirt. I can't remember where I got it. I'm thinking Maurices. I'm not 100% sure. Now these pants are from Maurices, size 16. All right, y'all, here we go. We got the Johnny Was shirt on that bunches around. And then I've got the skirt on. And it fits. What do you think? Oh, I didn't put the boots on them. Okay, sorry about that. Now I've got the boots on. I will tilt the camera down a little so you can see the boots better. I do like how the boots come up above the skirt, so I'm not showing my leg and I don't feel so self-conscious about it. I don't know that I love these together like I thought I would. Maybe if I tuck it in. Let's see, let's tuck it in and see. Yeah, I still don't know. I mean, I'm kind of, I don't know what to think of it. I don't know if I like it or not. I'm gonna have to get y'all's opinion on the skirt. When I tucked it in, it's almost like this is an ivory and this is a white, and that kind of bothers me. I don't know why. So, do you think this skirt would look good with something different? Maybe a black top? I will try this other top on and see. But I do have to decide if I want to keep this top to wear with jeans or not. What do y'all think? Do y'all think it's cute enough to keep for jeans? I feel like it's a little thin. If I was not wearing a t-shirt bra, I feel like you'd be able to see everything. So tell me what y'all think about that as well. I will be right back. All right, y'all. Maybe this top was a bad idea. I mean, you really do feel like you should be flapping your wings in this one, because the Dolman, it really, I mean, here's the seam and it goes all the way to my elbow. I think this would probably be really cute on a super thin person. I don't know about somebody like me that's got a little more weight on them. And there's a little bit of elastic down here at the bottom. And so when I was doing this, it was like wanting to pop up and then bubble down. I don't know if that's what it's supposed to do, or if it's just doing that because of the shape of my body. I don't know. I don't know if I should put these on with jeans to see. Y'all, in all honesty, I'm probably just going to send both of these shirts back. If I did keep one, it would be the white one. I think this is just a little too much for me. I feel like I should be a beach ball now. Caca, caca. Let's look at the shoes, because I'm just going all mental. I'm gonna have to ask my husband if he slept something in my coffee today, because I am feeling a little crazy. I'm calling it the snow brain, y'all, because I was snowed in and I just felt like I was just didn't have a brain. I was doing all kinds of messed up stuff. All right, these boots I actually kind of like. They're not too tight, and the thing about them is this, you can actually fold up if you wanted to make them a little taller, and I kind of like it. I may end up keeping these black boots. I can see that my cat fur is going to kind of cling to them, but otherwise I think they're kind of cute. What do y'all think? So I just have to decide what I'm going to do about these clothes. I'll be right back, y'all. Alright, I thought before I gave up on this top, I would dig in my closet and find something black to put on the top of it. I do like the black better with it, but I still don't know that I would actually pull for this skirt. I mean, it's super cute, but I mean, I feel like this is more of a casual layer-on shirt and this is more of a little dressier top. I don't know that I have anything that would really go with it. This shirt I just tied so you could see the detail of this. So if I was to raise my arms, I might show my belly, which I normally prefer not to do. Y'all are really gonna have to comment and tell me what to do about this, because this is just I don't know, I may just send it back, y'all. I am such an indecisive person. That's something I need to pray about as well. Y'all, I'll be right back. All right, Now we're ready for our recap. I'm still very torn on this skirt. The truth is, I just probably will send it back. If I was having trouble styling it here, unless y'all give me some awesome tips about how I should style this thing, it will probably just go back to the store because I don't know what to do with it. When I ordered it, I had in my head what I was going to do with it. It didn't work out, so now my brain is just mush. So this is probably going to go back. This one with the Vero Crazy sleeves, also going to go back. I just don't think it looked good on my body type. I have some Dolman tops, but I don't think I have anything that was this far Dolman, and I don't think it looked good on me. Tell me if y'all's opinion is different. I'm debating on keeping this one. This I could probably pull off with some jeans, probably even if I wanted to put a vest or something over the top of it. So I might keep it. The only hesitation I'm having is because you have to lay it flat to dry, which is something I can get over, but I just have to think really hard about it. And I'm gonna go back when I edit this video and I'll put the prices up when I'm trying on all the clothes, so you can know, you know, what price is what, and when I look at it, and depending on how much it costs, is if I keep it or not. Now these, I think I might keep these actually, because they weren't too bad, and I have tried on a lot of tall boots trying to find some that I liked, and these are the ones that I've liked the most. Do I absolutely adore them? If they're $50 or $60, I might send them back. If they're under that, I'll probably keep them. So it really depends on the price on these, but I was pleasantly surprised. I just don't like that the cat fur is sticking to them. I read online somewhere that if you spray Scotch Guard on stuff, it'll keep the fuzzies and the cat hair and stuff from sticking on it. Have any of y'all tried that? Do you know if it would work? Would it mess up this kind of suede material that the shoes are? Let me know. And if you have any other tricks, I would love to hear them, because girl needs all the help she can get here. Anyway, that was my Amazon haul. I do have more coming up from Amazon. I've got more coming up from Old Navy, Maurices, Torrid, Nordstrom and Nordstrom Rack. Y'all, I've got so much stuff ordered right now to show y'all. I'm so excited. I can't wait to get it all. I can't wait to hear y'all's opinions on it. I want to thank y'all. Thank y'all so much for being here with me. I appreciate it so much. It has helped me. You don't even know how much it has helped me in my life. I never thought making a channel like this would change my life the way it has and help me become less fearful of things and people. Anyway, I digress. Thank you. I appreciate you. Please press the like button. Please subscribe. Please share with your friends. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful day and God bless.